So what you're looking at there, folks, I'm zooming in because that's quite a ways away from me there. So in the foreground we got some Cupressaceae bamboo, a big grove of it there. It's growing along a creek that runs through the middle of our forest. Behind it is a Taxodium distichum, so that's a bald cypress or swamp cypress, and that's actually growing in a pond. So at the end of November, where we are now, you're going to get some autumn color on it, and that's the autumn color on the bald cypress. So very exotic and very cold hardy too. So that's a tree that should be tried in more northern zones. I know a guy that grows them in Ottawa, and like I say, very, very hardy to frost and extreme cold temperatures, even though it looks very exotic. Well, it is exotic because it's not native to here, but the needles on it are very soft, almost larynx-like, right? And green all the way up until probably last week. It seemed to really change quickly. So if you can find them, try one in your own garden. They will grow in standing water. They will grow just in regular dirt too, without the water. But that's the nice thing about them. They'll take very wet soil, waterlogged soil, and that actually is growing in standing water. And they do actually produce knees after a while that come up from the root system. So that's a bald cypress, or the Latin name is Taxodium distichum, all right? And I call them a swamp cypress too, because that's another name that people like to call them. But they will grow big. They're big trees, so give them room to grow. And definitely a curiosity if you got them growing in water when people come visit your garden. Very cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, palm that subscribe button, will you? And stay tuned for our live streams. Cheers.